Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing WhatsApp's terms and privacy policy on your PC. It's a simple and essential step to ensure you understand the rules and regulations governing your use of WhatsApp. So, let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. Launch the application and log in with your credentials. Next, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the settings menu. Now, navigate to the Help tab. Look for the tab among the available options in the settings menu. Once you're in the Help tab, you will find the option for Terms and Privacy Policy. Click on it to access and view WhatsApp's comprehensive Terms and Privacy Policy document. By reviewing this document, you'll gain a better understanding of how WhatsApp collects, uses, and protects your personal information, as well as the terms and conditions you agree to when using the platform on your PC. That's all for today's tutorial on how to view WhatsApp's Terms and Privacy Policy on your PC. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.